Hey, let's say we're gonna go climb Mount Everest. Okay, I'm gonna make sure we've got the best gear, right? The best boots, the best jacket, the best pants, the best goggles, everything. But what's the most important thing that we can do? The one person that we need? Look, if I'm climbing that mountain, I'm gonna make sure we have the best Sherpa on this planet, the best coach, guide to get me up that mountain, and more importantly, down safe. Well, in infinite banking, the best Sherpa on earth is our team at Create Tailwind. Because not only can we get you up the mountain, we can get you down the mountain safely without you falling. We've done it thousands of times for 30 plus years. Do you want a track record of people that have done it or people that are really good at making YouTube videos? Now, we're not so shabby at making YouTube videos either, but we've been up and down the mountain more than anybody else. So do yourself a favor. Join our community, Create Tailwind, at community.createtailwind.com or search for it on your app store. See you inside.